Hey, everybody. Right here in the middle of Lent, I want to recommend to you a book that was a game changer in my prayer life years ago. A book that I still read every year and will continue to read every year so long as I'm on this side of the veil. And it's right here. Where'd I put it? Right here. Prayer for Beginners. Yes, this book right here by my favorite author of all time, Dr. Peter Kreeft. One thing I've learned in life is that the things that have the most impact are the things that are simple, short, to the point, and leave you with that wow effect. And herein lies this book for me. So many of the excuses we make to have a better prayer life, so many of the things we struggle with, like a wandering mind in prayer or inability to focus ourselves on God, or not making the time we know He deserves in our lives, is answered right in this book. And no, I'm not in any sort of affiliate program with this recommendation, by the way. It's just a short, simple, and to-the-point book on prayer that I pray will have as big of an impact on you as it has had on me. And right here in the middle of Lent is the best time to read it. I've linked it below. And if you have already read it, put a comment in the comment section on what you thought. Have a happy and holy week, everyone. Pray for me and know I'm praying for you. God bless you.